Hi all, we are at the Bangalore International Grandmaster Open Chess Tournament 2025 formed by the Golden Aura Trust. We have Soumya ma'am with us, who is the president of BODCA, founder of Golden Aura Trust, and also the organizing secretary and the tournament director of this tournament. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for coming, and we are happy to have you here on behalf of Circle Chess.
Thank you so much ma'am. Bangalore is hosting such a huge tournament and you have played an important role in this. So we would love to hear your thoughts, how this has been.
Yeah, actually, when I was joined Bangalore Urban District Chess Association, it was our dream that we have to do something for the chess fraternity, chess community. So the dream became true now. We are here in second edition of Nama Bengaluru International Grandmasters Chess Tournament 2025. It's an overwhelming response from the parents and players. We have 18 plus countries in this tournament, and more than 2,500 participants are playing in this tournament. It's a proud moment for the state. We are hosting this in Nama Bengaluru and Karnataka. It's a pride moment for us.
Definitely, ma'am. I know a lot of kids definitely wait for this tournament every year now. So thank you for that. This tournament, as you mentioned, is backed by Government of Karnataka and a lot of other associations. So how is that playing an important role in organizing this tournament?
Really, it's a amazing support what we are getting from the government of Karnataka. Any program, any tournament, if we want to make it a successful event, government support is very much important. And when we requested for the support, they were very happy to be associated with this tournament, because this is what we can place our state, the Karnataka, in world map. That is the major point what we wanted to do. This is just a effort to show our Karnataka and in the world global map, and the support to the sport.
Absolutely, ma'am. Definitely agree with that. How do you see this tournament contributing to the growth of chess in Karnataka and overall India?
Very happy to answer this question actually. Our first edition, what we have done in 2024 January, we got almost 2,000 plus participants and 27 countries in the tournament. After the first edition of Grandmasters tournament, the growth of registered players in Karnataka was almost 3 times than earlier. In our state association secretary report, it was 2,500 to 2,700. After that, recently when we had our AGM, state association AGM, in that the number was almost doubled, like 7,500. Currently, we are almost close to 10,000 registered players in Karnataka. This itself is a contribution to encourage players. We are providing platform for the players to grow and strengthen their performance. So that's what I want to say.
Definitely, ma'am. We at Circle Chess also have a very similar vision that we want to grow chess as much as possible.
Yes.
So, Circle Chess being your registration partners, how was your overall experience?
Yeah, it's a mind blowing experience. Actually, players, parents, seamlessly they can register their children to the tournament here. This time, even we are also very comfortable that Circle Chess was taking care of everything, and hardly we can get few calls regarding some queries and all, and everything was handled by Circle Chess. In our first edition, we have given one small, Blitz tournament responsibility, but this time whole category A, B, C, and even Blitz also handled by Circle Chess. Circle Chess Chess is doing amazing job. I think I want to say wish you all the best for Circle Chess. Recently, I heard that they are the winner of Karnataka Tech Startup Award. So I really congratulate Gaurav and Swati for their achievements.
Thank you, ma'am. What is one thing that you like with working with Circle Chess here? Where Circle Chess is your partners, registration partners. You mentioned a lot of
Yes.
What is that one thing that makes it very unique?
Yeah, the Circle Chess team is always trying to give their best to the chess community. I'm very proud of them, and we would like to very happy to associate with the Circle Chess team. And maybe what is lacking in chess community, chess fraternity, like. It was like we were using some traditional things to perform any event and tournaments, but Circle Chess is bringing some new technologies and by using AI and all. Definitely now we are in AI world. Yeah, that experience zone is created by Circle Chess. We are very happy that Karnataka. Circle Chess is part of Karnataka, and contributing to the chess is a great thing to say.
Amazing, ma'am. The one last question. Any advice you would like to give to parents and young players participating in such top level events?
Yes. Yeah, a very good question. Now we can see more number of players. This is one of the record-breaking event in Karnataka. We made history again. Earlier it was 910 was the maximum number. In this tournament we have 944 registered players are playing in C category, and 320 players are playing in A category. It's that itself proves that Karnataka is doing great thing. Actually, this is a platform what we are providing to our players. Normally, there are many chess players, but they are not able to go across India or abroad to scale their ratings. But this is an opportunity for them to enhance their rating and strengthen their game quality. So that's what we can give. Let them utilize this platform to grow themselves, and future is in their hand. One more thing I want to add here is I'm very sad when I heard about the number of participants in women category, I mean girls category. Hardly 23% of the whole numbers. So only 23% of girls are participating in the tournament. We would like to support them. We would like to help them to come out and play. We would like to bring them up. More number of women, female children, girls should participate in the tournament, because chess is a very safe game and they can build themselves to contribute to the society. That's what I want to say.
We are with you in order, please, and always there to improvise and grow the game with the whole world. So thank you so much for joining.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.